how to find your YouTube watch history. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can find the watch history of your Facebook videos. So let me show you how you can do that. So the first thing that we're going to do is simply launch our Facebook application. That we can do by tapping onto the application icon. And now once you're inside your Facebook homepage, you will need to click onto this video tab just to the right of this option. Now from here, once you are inside this video tab, you can click onto your profile picture option or this profile picture button at the top right of the reel section. So once you will do this, it will launch your library. Now in your library you can see the second last option, that is history. So simply click onto this history option and it will show you all of the reels that you have watched. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.